Hello foodies, welcome back to my channel. Look at how wonderful this dish looks. A quick and easy weeknight dinner recipe that everyone will love. A restaurant style shrimp and broccoli stir fry within the comforts of your home. Let's see how to make this. Come on. We will make a special sauce ready. This is store-bought teriyaki sauce and it has some sesame seeds in it. I'm using schezwan sauce, but any chili garlic sauce is good for this recipe. Try using dark soy sauce if possible. Black pepper and paprika will take this sauce to another level. Give it a good mix and let's proceed with the recipe. In goes the finely chopped garlic and ginger and saute for a few seconds. Now the green chilies give a lovely spice kick, but you can skip these if you don't like spicy. I like to use veggies, so here I have sliced carrots and broccoli florets. Stir fry for a few seconds because we need the veggies to be crunchy. Here I am using jumbo shrimp for this recipe, but you can use any that are easily available. Saute until shrimp change the color just a bit. Click the subscribe button for such easy and delicious recipes I post every week. Once they change the color, we will add the prepared sauce mix. Now just mix well and allow the shrimp to cook through. It doesn't take much time for them to cook. See how the sauce has thickened and the shrimp is completely cooked. Add a few toasted sesame seeds and garnish with green onions. We are now ready to serve this shrimp and broccoli stir fry. You can serve it with some steamed white rice. The veggies are still crunchy and the shrimp looks amazing. Hope you like this recipe. Thanks for watching.